Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're looking at something that's a must-have for your makeup bag, especially if you're after a flawless, all-day finish. We're talking about the KIKO Milano Universal Stick Concealer. It promises to be long-lasting, versatile, and suitable for all skin types. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. The KIKO Milano Universal Stick Concealer comes in a convenient stick form, making it easy to apply on the go. It's available in several shades, and today I'm testing out the shade 03 Light Neutral. This concealer is designed to provide medium to full coverage, seamlessly covering imperfections like blemishes, dark circles, and redness. The finish? Natural, which I'm sure many of you will appreciate if you're not into the heavy, cakey look. And as for the formula, it's long-lasting, which is ideal for those of us who don't want to worry about reapplying throughout the day. Now, how does it actually perform? I've been using this concealer for a little while now, and I can honestly say it's easy to integrate into your beauty routine. The application is smooth, and the product blends out effortlessly with fingers or a brush, which is always a plus for me. I used it during my usual morning routine and noticed it didn't feel heavy on my skin, which is a huge win for a product promising full coverage. As for how it holds up throughout the day, it definitely lives up to the long-lasting claim. I wore it during a busy day with a mix of errands and meetings, and it stayed put without creasing or fading, which is a major selling point. When it comes to the pros, this concealer's blendability is top-notch. The creamy texture glides on without feeling greasy, and it doesn't dry out the skin or highlight any dry patches. It's a fantastic option if you have under-eye circles like I do, as it doesn't settle into fine lines. Plus, it provides a natural finish that's not too matte, giving the skin a healthy, radiant look. However, there are a couple of downsides. The shade range could be more inclusive, especially if you're on the deeper end of the skin tone spectrum. While 03 Light Neutral works for me, I can see how it might not suit everyone. Also, while it's long-lasting, I did notice some fading around my chin area after a long day, especially if I was touching my face often. This could be a deal breaker for those looking for a truly 24-hour concealer. Now, in terms of value for money, the KIKO Milano Universal Stick Concealer is priced at a mid-range point. It's not the cheapest on the market, but considering the quality and the performance, it's definitely worth it. The formula is solid, and you're paying for a product that will last throughout the day without needing constant touch-ups. As for alternatives, if you're after something more affordable, you could consider the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's not quite as creamy, but offers similar coverage and is a solid budget-friendly option. However, if you're willing to splurge a little more, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer might be a good pick, providing excellent coverage with a similarly natural finish. The packaging is sleek and functional, which I appreciate. The stick design makes it portable, and it's easy to throw into your bag for quick touch-ups. It feels sturdy and doesn't have any flimsy parts, which is always a good sign for a product you're going to use often. Now let's talk customer service. I haven't needed to contact KIKO Milano directly for any issues, but based on their reputation, I would expect prompt responses and helpful support if any concerns arise. To sum it up, if you're looking for a concealer that provides natural coverage, blends well, and lasts throughout the day, the KIKO Milano Universal Stick Concealer is a solid choice. It's especially great for those who want a more skin-like finish. If you're willing to invest in something that performs well for the price, this is definitely one to check out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in today. If you've tried this concealer or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.